go.
To save on time, I've already unpackaged the box. But looking at your box, you'll have your part number and your color of your cabinet. So we have a Mercury White Wall 2430. And to start building the cabinet, you'll start with the face frame and the doors. The nice thing about our product is it is style and rail construction on the doors. It's a 5-piece door, same with the drawer fronts. Your face frame is 3/4 inch solid wood, and there's good cabinet construction practices. Everything is run in dados. The end panels, the ceiling and the floor will be glued and nailed from the inside, so there's no visible screws or hardware. You'll start with your end panels, a small bead of glue in the dado. If you get a little too much, you can just smear it out. Our end panels, the outside of the end panel is the finished color of your cabinet. It is a finished inside interior with the maple birch veneer. The nice thing about our cabinet in comparison to other lower cost cabinets is the end panels are 1/2-inch plywood. There is no particle board, no MDF or inferior product. It's all plywood construction. You put your end panel into the dado, and with a 45-degree angle, you'll use the 5/8 brad nail, fastening the end panel to the frame. 5/8 is important. If you use 3/4 inch, that will come through. The nails are there really acting as the clamp for the glue to dry. We'll put glue in the dados in the end panel. Glue in the dado in the end panel and in the frame, keeping the glue off of the dado for the back. That will interfere later on. The floor and ceiling will be finished on the exterior as well as the interior. In your bag of hardware, you'll have some angle brackets, and that's where you'll use the wide round stapler. You'll secure it to the frame, to the floor, ceiling, top and bottom. This is your back. You have dados to accommodate your floor and ceiling. It is a 1/4 inch plywood back, as well as it's reinforced where you will run 3-inch screws installing it in your home. The important part is you want to get all of your backs and panels frames flush so that you know that you have a square cabinet. Then with the wide crown stapler, you will stitch the two together. In your bag of hardware, you'll have those white corner brackets, screws, shelf pins. So now the back is actually being screwed to the back of your ceiling and floor. Now you've got one completed cabinet. Your shelf pegs are included in the cabinet, as well as you'll have two shelves. A nice feature about FGT cabinets, the shelves are finished maple interior, just like your cabinet, as well as they're a real 3/4 inch plywood shelf. So you can put all kinds of weight on there with your dishes and your shelves won't sag. That is a Wall 2430 complete. Soft close hinges, full